Nana dom adoso ama me no mienu no. Ono na wose yede aseda de mani din. Yemu bi na anidasuo ni ho. Yemu bi na yenhye da nigidie se afe no ebekwa awieye ne yeda so te ase. Nanso awurade wanhwe yen amumuye. Wanhwe yen emrato. Awurade anhwe abrabo bi a yeda na di a enye. Anopo yeda so te ase a na eye na dom. Aninti enne obeka yen ho na yede bosome November ewo afi 2021 mu no yede akwa wieye ewa asumdwe mo. Nyankopon ya adom a wo kyena eye eda soronko ekyena yesan ewura bro nya bosome mo. Hwan no ne yedi ni yie saa eye awurade a ani tina wo se yede aseda ne ayeye de manedin. Ena ye benada obubuo bosome no ne da etwa to kra ewo afi ena no pay me dofo mame mo ache mo akwaba enfamra henkan 93.3 FM so a free star break up him say no ndu bebo de wo a woni mu dada eyo my Ghana mu nsem ensem we bebo ama o man atimi akona nim na yes kire ya no aka no kra de akire mpanimfo eno ho dwumadi a ne asan betena se a yebedie. Yes, my privilege to speak on behalf of one of the finest production team in town, Adrempahene Kofi Mensah. Solid guy. Come on. Ably assisted by Kobe K, one fantastic guy, no. Kwame Asante Kahubi. Kwame Asante no you to pay. The genesis of Maakye producers here bass or Kahubi. Ono kra ne de ne sha se. Na yafu adwuma mu ho. Ana se unya akwanya se som. Na uyi wo kumam. Na usum ni yi a so bamfa so de ma ene ono so sankwan da 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 enu tinyankopon ya adoma on the 4th of January. Maakye will be exactly a year. Eduru ono mo yebesi nkonya na yedi mu nkomo, but unfortunately on the 4th of January, you know, na me won crying. Me jimeni. Da da. Do da do. Ya fifie pa. Enu ti bronya we. Ebe koye kurom. Mo so mo fa mu kuro. Emu ni mu bronya. Da do. Jaba. Bom. Abu abuburo nyanya de. Oh jai. Abu abuburo nyanya de. Enye de. Obi ase ni fie didi. Mo hwe yen ahoho ne ho. Sa na edi buro nya. Yeah. Wom. Tie. Na sevia sinyina. Ebasa enkrofo ne to omonyom. Ye yu baby akọ baby. Da. Da. And so adishye ensem no doso. Nia ewo se ye ka ho asem mautie. Nia edika na editie no. Eno na yasi nkonwa ye de bramo. Unim say still on the budget 2022, the rollover budget 2022 no. And I know paying so yebesene di munkomo. Yebe pick it from a different angle. Na ye di munkomo. Yene resource personnel. Ebe bon komo. Na ya jiwo mo adwenkyere dia fa ho. So what you say? Yene resource people ne bebo nkomo na omo nso so akire yen ade kakra. Say what has become a bone of contention enyina ne say the number of people are na omo eye present ewo parliament as at the time na omo to abade tia akonhomasika no ebinom kire said for that particular business to be transacted. And it's now no prayer bedi nsumu nkomo de ama. Enran shared this conversation I say, and fortunately we had both political party reps. Omo boaye omo nyina a member of parliament nti Enra yene Honorable Kennedy or say nyako achimso aduro mrahye bidwani opani ejebre kyerɛkyerɛ omo NPP omo fam de kyerɛ yen sanso na yɛkɔ akwatia ene Honorable Henry Boachi Iyadom yɛtai frɛ no Okoyo ono so yɛno ne bɔ nkomo ma NDC almost point of view or kyerɛkyerɛ mu de kyerɛ yen and anopai we will continue on that debate na yetumi adwell heavily on that but memo remfinso say oko omani mrahye bedwafia parliament will reconvey today no what exactly is going to be the business members in san kwakotwe house na adwene de asi the rejection of the budget and so and I say what new and omokwakobɔ ho nkomo memo rain susu mfi say Speaker of Parliament after say Friday no or presiding over the rejection of budget 2022 no were too kwan as we speak oni Ghana or call Dubai ni nyina ye ne health review and okwakoye wo hono nti ene no the first deputy speaker of parliament and a beteki charge in the person of honorable the overseas speaker na se kokoba se ye toaba e dia fa budget no ho a now member reviews say numbers no apai we have a nearly hung parliament and inti we don't have an absolute majority obi betimi use our majority status no does he has that power to participate in a casting vote and answer saying I don't pay a haya and I want to uti near Mousa analysis 7 and memo raise soon fi say independent candidate our parliament or see or the need dom ebebo majority caucus inti no or you're part of the majority caucus inti if the word is if ekobase casting vote ebeko soa it means Speaker of Parliament and Obabetine Dwam Joseph Osei Owusu no ontumi nto saa aba ne bi enti se ontumi nto saa aba ne bi a ababen ene obetumi ato anopai se wentie this analysis na wodi koko to ba bi kotie ema ekoko ye kotie beka mibu befu pa tiwa ha ne ntimi nkyerɛkyerɛ mu nkyerɛ wo se ne be ya wo so wo kyerɛkyerɛ mu akyerɛ obi a ɔno nso betumi ate ase but onimu se ebinom nso so throw enwia di gunkrofo ani yes of course they are blowing the e-levy tax no eto no 1.75 na sa 1.75 no na ebinom nso so akyekere nneoma de aso ankrofo say 1.75 Ghana cedis and akọ send mobile money bi a yebeti dey free so yes because the communication is not effective we are expecting the NPP communicators the NPP communication team to start explaining things to the ordinary Ghanaian into what you say but omunye wait because emframa eboy nyina ekyerese se ma anyamu niam yi a opposition you will definitely go into mesremo and then we will talk about this thing as well na yahwe kwan yebefa so we will explain it and after that we have another issue so we will still dwell in parliament and we will talk about the postures of the majority the posture of the speaker of parliament. I think to me the Speaker of Parliament is acting overboard. As a position, or ye dia mana broso do. Abamba mi asem na mekan. Ni position or ye dia broso. Minim so okoda. Eya na oso da yesi obi je ni position na free ni nsam wo. Se sen you, I don't know. We have a really packed show for you this morning. And aside that, so unim se nyame ya adom a Friday ya ebe Farmers Day na Cocoa Farmers Association and mpanimfoɔ no nso so arezi a whole lot of concerns. Ebi efa cocoa pension scheme no eho. Ebi mo so fa fertilizer eho. Opani a ono en wakasa de ma cocoa board. Fifi Buafo ye na bonkomo we kyere ho wa kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm bebre mu akyerɛ yɛn anopan so yɛbɛkɔ na yɛne cocoa akuafo no akɔtwetwe nkomo already no oma threaten say they are likely to boycott Farmers Day na eba no and into anopan we have a date this morning a World Park show and yɛde bremo into new video ni free ha enyi video ni free ha because dwumadie no yɛahyehyɛ papa ni nyina eba bɛboa yɛn Odian kan Kwame Yebowa and a executive producer me ofre me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo ensuru jaba ko pa maka ye kanokra wu eni nti ye frɛ ye hu ahi nti royals no ye no leader the commander general yatena se mami ma good morning enche ye di wiembo brensam so de beto so de amamo so ari ase Nti yebekwa ahoma so na yene papa ni akotwetwe enkomo papa otimi nka no pay memwache apomoko de
yame adomo
be 2 weeks ni de papa ni okay what are my name you mo brand some sen eko
yo ma minchia weti na we mo bobre na yemfancy northern portions of the country Boli Bogatanga Tamale Yindi na Brungu Namdam na Lerugu wale enen empatem no ana pe bimbe kusukakra ema we mo shoboka kujina 34 degrees Celsius na pe bi mo be shikakra ye ba coastal areas na mpoano no afla uketa adantema nkan sopon Cape Coast takra de azim takwa hafa sini enen empatem no so no we mo shoboka kujina 33 degrees Celsius ba enyumedie ewiemu bejo kakra yama bobodi inso ento wasamia no ate yeba inland areas na menche oboase sunyan techiman kumase bono kintampo ejira enen empatem no so no ewimbe kusu anape ema ewiemu sheboka kujina 32 degrees Celsius yama bobodi inso no omunya inso ende ate yeba inland areas na of the eastern portions so asamankase kuforidua akimoda abo fonse asene bata bibini achianse akwetia soadru nsaba enen patam no ewiemo so bekwa akogina 33 degrees Celsius miama bobodi so ne omunya nso ntine ewiemo bobre no
papa yedase anope nti bibia ni ebesa babiem
yo metuna da
okay and it's Wiembo Semana Papa Nidia Mayeno 50 minutes after 6 live on Ahinkai 93.3 FM. Remember Remfi say yedin back on so ne abozege and it's Anope na washen nso de amame me pacho fa Bible no ye munwuram ye nsua ade kakra e wo kyero ni mu obofo a wo ba na Anope obofo ne ye too gentle medwene ho amenti ase obofo ne ye too gentle Anope ya medwene ho amenti ase but Anope o se me ne wo ensua ade bi o se seek for the interest of others. Seek for the interest of others. Eya pesamin kuminya I myself and I, me myself and I. Sa suban no. Obofo ne se me nka nkere wa wutie mi anopa ise emwa wo. Eni nti uyo obi a wa brabo a wo bo no. Usuban nyina ne se me nko a menkwa onkwa didi onkwa yeye onkwa sha atade pa onkwa nanka enema nyina nsi wiye abusua na wuwo mu no se uhunu se obi babi enso so secondary school ni bia na wobu afu uhunu se obi babi enso ware a na wobu afu uhunu se obi atimi sidan ni bia na wobu afu uhunu se obi alone. It shouldn't be that. It is a wutie mi anopai na abraba wo nyina no eye wonkwa media me ne me ma wanhwe yi ana wo ne wo ma no sane nka wo hwehwe na amba musa san say enipa de we propose and God disposes it. Enunti Bible say men kan kire Kristo ni otie mi anopai men kan kire Muslim ni otie mi anopai Buddhist ani Hindu sane wo mo aka ho no asoma hodo no emun enipa no Bible say men kan kire saafo no whether you believe in the Bible or not, whether you believe in the Quran, whatever book you believe, anopai omu nyina kan bomu na o masoma me kan kire say seek for the interest of others, seek for the interest of others. Ma afoforo ye die hunhia ma afoforo mpuntu hunhia ma afoforo kan kon hunhia wonkwa na madam se wawu ada ho a eye nipa ene beba waye se wo sika akwa koka dan ma na se wuwu na nipa ma sika ntimi mma yie. We can't package money, we can't dress money and ask the money to attend a funeral of a wealthy man. It is human beings who will come mourn with the family. And until you gotta seek for the interest of your fellow human being. That is why some of the decisions in Ibina say ebinimu taking penifoni tekia, we put them on the spotlight and we probe their actions to find out whether the interest will serve the majority or they are only seeking for their own selfish parochial interest. We know. Say some people are always selfish. They only think about themselves and how they can amass wealth for themselves, how they can continue to enjoy life. They don't think about other people. But this morning, I have come to tell you that you must seek for the interest of others. Into whatever decisions are making up, you must sit down and analyze it. Find out to say, me decision na me taking now, no, is it gonna be in the interest of the majority or is going to be in the interest of my own self? Bible say, mon hwehwe afoforo nso so wo mu yedie. Ghana haya ye wey say ye nyina we juma ya. I do not think say there will be a day people will arise adenya ye say ye kwa akobokro no if oman no obi bia ho to no. I am not saying say ye nyina outright obi a obetimi ato, but at least the system can favor majority. We can create a certain system where that system no a bit favor system be ma oman mano ehun beto. Because most of our leaders are not seeking the interest of the majority. Decisions bia no mo take. Decisions are at the end benefit Ghana for at the end benefit sorry mano at the end benefit krom mano na omuteki nanka memu mpanimfo na ehemfo binom edwene afoforo ho ena enye wo mo pese minkumi nya no mo dwene ho a anka ohene enko fa asase enko ma China fo so mo fa metu galamsey ense ensu a Ghana fo nyina da enom. And the nanka a serve the source of drinking water for some people. No, now these people we have rendered them useless and homeless and hopelessness. Amwanaka kaneno bremu ni nsu a womo sanom and omuntumi num nsu obiem. So they have become vulnerable because of onipa baaku mienu miensa bi. Omo pese minkuminya mo hwe ne bremu nsu aye. Obi ne pese minkuminya o. Hwe ba bia ye de gas filling station abesie. obi ni pese min kuminya o hwe ba bia omaba besi or friend saying bonsuo Washington Bay baby omaba besi asie obi ni pese min kuminya o obi ni pese min kuminya ohini bi pese min kuminya politician bi pese min kuminya nti mo we said o my Ghana emu adehye esi apenie yesi apenie but anopai se obema afoforo ho yedie so obema afoforo wo mo abrabo empuntuo ehu ahia wo sane na no ehu hia Paul na Paul katra Philippians ne say for me I seek for the interest of all of you be Bible no yem bonguram na fe yen sorry so seek for the interest of the majority minia and in Tendra I was humbly asking NDC for say yes. Initially, Ghanaians were crying. Some Ghanaians were craving, actually. I can say the 1.75 levy, and what thing? And pennyful you free or cry. It's not like and yet negotiable say, yeah, ben negotiate yet. No, we don't even need any reduction or whatever you may term it. Yampe, munim free ho. Say or mampani and I say aban bi be na dwene say we hunu say momo no say enipa ekoho dotso eninti or baba be tax no it is a lazy man's approach. We say that without any apology. It is a lazy man's approach. And even the communication to the Ghanaian people no are very poor. I do not see the wisdom in it to say on another breath you are preaching say we should all switch into technology. Yemfa technology nye adwuma. Our vice president is crisscrossing this country. All preachers say we should encourage the use of technology to transact business. And now the thing gradually is going down with Ghanaians. Now out of the blue, ya boom. And then I will say, may the communication e-levy day ba. To me, it doesn't make sense. And if you want to build a responsible nation, you don't confuse your people using e-levy in your man. And now you are discouraging people to continue to transact business using the technology form. I do not see the interest of that. And a minority of parliament in so say yati. It's a question every some say, do you sorry or more cancer almost or more cassette so more cassette Ghana fools or whatever position they have taken, no? Are they truly speaking for Ghanaians? And I say they are doing all these things. More share me social media we know. Are they doing all this just for political expediency? And I said they are doing it to serve the interest of the ordinary Ghanaian. Seek for the interest of your people. The politicians nowadays, some of them are not seeking for the interest of the majority. And it's no more loan no a whole conditionalities ye bebre no ma koje de aba ni sign bond one bond na ye ko bond market ni ye ko toto and ye ma 25 years ye betua bete ho apa. That is what we do. Ni akobo bosia ni asade abe service ye loan ye kobo bosia ni ye de aba be ye consumption. And then at the end of the day, the government will come and preach, say, I want to rebound the economy. If you want to rebound the economy, you have to rebase it. The rebasement of the economy demands a wider range of people. You have to be able to expand the tax net so that it will cover the majority. It is so disheartening to see the number of people, the number of Ghanaians, 30.8 million, and looking at the number of Ghanaians who identify to pay tax. No market camera of BBC and also call baby. Makofa you live with ya, but I say this is the lazy man's approach. Munyusu method for where they are to and yet. So when we come back, we will talk about it. But Senka Yempedin will seek for the because when they call banky, we ya boss me and 30 of ye. Nkasiafu omo send messages here. Omo send messages here tew. Enti no pam no tware no me fan call me beto me momo account mu. And then momo account no say na mu chase yen. Are you seeking for the interest of the masses? Aya no maka Bible no. Ayi ma me quotation me kan kire wo mo. Philippians chapter 2 the verse 4. Me pacho e ho no nyame adom e kire be kenkan. We must seek for the interest of others. And mu na be boa yen Philip and ano Philippians no Paul e call mo ho ko ka kire wo mo say ono de bi obompa ya obompa ye de sere say ono di yi no afoforo nso ndi yi ene ente saa o and hayen adom ranka ho na buro nya yi ayekwa akodie yi unya bi di a nso akai obi ube seek the interest of others say enkrofo edbre na nso di bi man krofo enkrofo bre wanwa no na wo di bi man krofo whatever you receive no nso so transfer bi na wo de wadane enkrofo bi amnim wo mo 1 point you are don ofan you are don you are don wo de bia you are don wo de wo mo bi nkan you are don ni bi nkyira wo Erade adom no so mfa ma wo na onfa sa honhom ni mu nwura wo se na be ya you seek for the interest of others. Sports coming up. Joe